Hey guys, PenguinEsk here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we're doing Hue-vember. Hello. I found out about Hue-vember, I think it was last year or the year before that, where basically everyone was doing a rainbow color scheme, and for each day of the month, they would draw only using that one color. And if I'm being honest with you guys, the fucking wheel that is with the official Hue-vember like thing is garbage, and a lot of the colors look the same. So what your girl did was she made her own Hue-vember wheel. So here it is. Here's the wheel. I decided to make my own wheel because I thought those colors were atrocious. They were super bright, and I most definitely just did not like them. And because of that, I ended up I made the wheel, and then when I made the wheel, I didn't realize that two of the colors kind of look the same. Day 3 and 14. And before I get into that, there are 14 colors on the wheel because I could not commit to another 31-day challenge. Inktober kicked my ass, and as proud as I am about actually getting through a comic and doing what I needed to do and all of that, I just cannot do that again. So I decided to go with 14 days instead of 31, which is slightly less than half. So yeah. But about my colors, days 3 and 14 look the same. When I was going through the wheel, I was going through it around by color. So 3 was supposed to be like a super dark brown orange, while 14 was supposed to be a dark red. Like, it just didn't work out that way. And because of that, we'll see how it goes, because when I did day 3, it looked a little grayish. Well, my boyfriend said it looked grayish, and I was like, oh, like, I get what you're trying to say. It looks a little gray brown. So hopefully there is a difference in it. But yeah, also for this Hue-vember, I decided to do all my OCs that aren't for like a comic or anything, and I wanted to do different outfits for them, make them, you know, a little fashion-esque, if you know what I'm saying. So I wanted to have different outfits for them because, you know, since I don't have outfits for them officially, kind of, not really, I thought it would be fun to like do something different, because I know I don't really, like, if I can just draw my characters in just a t-shirt and some plain black pants, I will. So this is kind of out of my comfort zone and just doing something different for Hue-vember. Since I only had to use one color and then the hues of that color, I decided to work with a main color, which was the main color on my wheel, and then I went in and picked a lighter and a darker color. So it's basically kind of like the 3 marker challenge, but like with the same hues, I guess. So I wasn't struggling with just having one color, or the drawing wasn't just one color, if you know what I mean. I wanted to have some depth in my illustrations, so anytime I scroll up, you can see a color and then the lighter and then darker versions of that color. So I just wanted to make sure that I was doing an actual illustration and not just like bullshitting with just like drawing my line art and coloring like a portion of the drawing that specific color. I feel like that's kind of a cop-out. I don't know. I feel like you can do so much more with like your one color than people realize. I don't know. That's just how I feel about it. But for this video, I have 3 of my OCs, and a lot of OCs are going to be repeating because I wanted to just use these main OCs that I have. So The first day was Abby, the second day is Desmond, our chocolate daddy, and our third day is Cypher. And oh my god, his outfit and the way I colored him, and just, he's such a chocolate daddy, like, oh my god. Along with Huevember, I'm also doing Saso Saku month, which is Sasori and Sakura, the ship. And bitch, I'm out here doing the challenges, so I feel like I'm doing something, even though I'm probably not. But I'm only doing certain days of the challenge just because I wanted to just do one-off pictures, but some of the prompts, like, they call for more than just one picture. They call for like a whole comic to like show how this, like, it's weird. So I'm only gonna do like a few of those prompts throughout the month whenever they come up, because I think it's super cute, and I am like a diehard Saku fan, Sasuke and Sakura, but like I'm here for all the other ships with Sakura. I'm not opposed to it, but it's not my go-to ship. But yeah. Speaking of challenges and all of that, I was searching on Instagram through the, it's not a recommended feed, but like your search feed on, like, I guess it's recommended for you posts, I guess, I don't know, but I found out that there's another challenge this month, and it is called Folktale Week. And basically it's like a children's book kind of week, and it starts on the 12th and ends on the 18th, I believe. That also has prompts and whatnot, and it's super cool that like near the end of the year all of these like challenges come up. I think it's super cool because it keeps you occupied with, if you don't have much to do, and for me it keeps me occupied and makes me want to do more things, and sometimes inspires me to do something else. So yeah, if you're not participating in a challenge, you should go participate in a challenge, unless you have a lot to do, or you're like working, or there are things that come up to where you can't do it. I think it's a really good opportunity to like get out of your comfort zone with some of these challenges. I know for Huevember, I love me some color, but like sticking to one color scheme is kind of hard. So yeah, I've been dealing with that this Huevember, and just trying to pick out my colors and trying to make them look good, and trying to just use only a select amount of colors. And because I'm trash and I like to cover up my mistakes with any color possible, I think this challenge will be good for me, I also forgot to mention a challenge that just recently ended. It is the procrastination challenge, hosted by Katie Arrington on YouTube, I believe. She goes by Katie Illustrates on Instagram. And basically it was a 7-day, it was not really a challenge, it was more of a workshop to help stop your procrastination. And I participated in that for all 7 days, even though I wasn't in the live stream for 2 days. Yeah, it was really very, very informative. And it's not an artsu challenge per se, but it is a mindset challenge, if that makes any sense. But yeah, that was super fun to participate in, and it kind of sucks because you guys can't really participate in this that challenge yearly, because this was just like not a one-off thing that she did. She wanted to try this out and help people get over their procrastination, and she said she's gonna try and do it again but differently next time. So for that, you might have to like actually follow her and like see what she's up to, and whenever she decides to make the new challenge. But that challenge was super dope. I really learned a lot about like mindset stuff and, you know, planning and all of that, but that's not even art related. I guess it's art related because you're planning your art, but yeah. We are coming near the end of the video, so if you haven't already, and if you reached this far into the video, please subscribe if you haven't become a fishy. You know, comment down below any penguins, you know, comment some penguins down below so that I know you guys like actually watch through my videos and all of that. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like and all of that jazz that you guys like to do. So bye guys.